Embattled Sri Lankan President Gotabaya Rajapaksa has faced a flak from the opposition and foreign envoys for his decision to impose a state of emergency for a second time in just over a month, which gives security forces power to crack down on peaceful protests. President Rajapaksa declared a state of emergency with effect from Friday midnight amid growing countrywide anti-government protests over the unprecedented economic crisis. The state of emergency gives the police and the security forces sweeping powers to arbitrarily arrest and detain people. The country's human rights body, the main lawyers' body, the opposition, and even some members of the diplomatic community criticized the government for its move.